Hello, happy Easter and welcome to the Hauntings live. We are here at Wayne Groves Woods tonight to do a live ghost hunt for you guys for about an hour, sponsored by Infraready Ghost Hunting Equipment, and thank you to Andy Bailey, who owns Infraready Ghost Hunting Equipment, for sponsoring us guys. He's even given us some exclusive equipment that Ryan's guarding. Can you come and give me your name, please? Tom. So we're speaking to you. Can you come forward for us? Tom, did you die in this area? Died. So that's clear.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that? This is a device which you can communicate through and speak to us. Would you like to speak to us?
Did you hear what that was? What did it say? I feel it in my fingers. Why no, it's oh fuck, this is freaking me out tonight, like. And again! It's freaking me out, again. Mate, I can't cope with this. That's the wet song. My friend who just... Is that you? Say yes. At his funeral. It was at his funeral. 4 weddings. That was funeral. At his funeral. Meant to. Holy shit.
I did.
This is freaking me out. Look at this, is proper freaking me out.
It's Jamie.
It's Jamie.
It's Jamie. Dead clear as a bell, that. It's Jamie.
It's Jamie. Someone's heard. Sarah's heard Ryan again. It's freaking.
Thomas.
Let's do a quick experiment before we leave. Who is this?
That sounded like Ben.
That did sound like Ben.
Ben.
And then Ryan. The name Ryan.
Who's that?
Hang on. Who's this? We had that conversation about dreams the other day. Holy God. I dream. Said I dream. Leave. I'm feeling that would be about right as well.
I think.
Well, with such clarity, what a perfect way to end. What? And normally Thomas. Yeah. It's clean as that.
Thomas and last name and all. I can't catch the last name.
But it's how it all went together. Yeah. And normally Thomas. Midway. I'll stop it.
Expert. Bye.
Bye.
Hey.
You can't get any clearer than that.
Bye.
We said, say goodbye. It took about. Now what's interesting, on events you say give it that 10, 20 seconds. Boom, bye. And just as you was going to press the button.
To leave. Bye. To leave. Did you hear that? To leave.
I did, yeah. So,
right.
Right, so there you go, guys. What a life. That equipment is amazing. It's from Infraready Ghost Hunting Equipment. Or add Andy Bailey on Facebook, Infraready Ghost Hunting Equipment Facebook page, or on Twitter, or infraready.co.uk, where you can have a look at all the equipment that's available. We will be trying out that bit of equipment even further, as well as more bits of equipment as we go through our next lives. Our next live is going to be on a Sunday night in 2 weeks' time. We're going to be announcing the location probably in the next few days or so. But in 2 weeks' time, which is the 5th of May?
Yeah.
Yes. 5th of May, 9 o'clock, right here. So you'll be able to catch us again, trying out another bit of equipment, if not that one again, live on Facebook.